I got this jacket for my Alaska cruise, and it was perfect for the cold, rainy weather. Honestly, I'd wear it anywhere it gets chilly, whether traveling or just running errands in the winter. I got mine in white, but it comes in many beautiful colors. I especially love that it's machine washable, which makes it super convenient for everyday wear. Highly recommended for anyone looking for a stylish yet functional jacket. I love that this one has an adjustable waist in the back so you can cinch it in a little and still feel feminine. It gives your body shape instead of that big square look. It also comes with this really pretty fur trim around the hood, which gives it a little stylish touch. But if you're going for something more casual or simple, the fur is completely removable. It zips and buttons off super easily. I wore it over sweaters and thermals on colder days, and when it rained, the hood kept my hair dry.